Welcome back. So in this video we will see how to swap two number. So I'm taking my number. So first of all I'm declaring variable with number. So int first number I have to take is a is equal to 4 and the b is equal to 5 and the time for swapping. In the next line I am printing number that I have before. So that's why I'm printing a line C out before swapping the number is. So what are the number? I'm printing the number that I have before as it is. So I'm printing that number C out A is equal to A. So it will C out 4 and B is equal to B, that will print B is equal to 5. So number is not swapped. So now I am swapping that number. So that's why I'm using temp. So temp is equal to A and A is equal to B and then B is equal to temp. So this actually the three lines actually swap that number. So now I'm printing a number that I have swapped. So I'm printing a line after swapping the number. After swapping the number I want to print this line. So now I am entering the number that I have swapped. So C out, and the number first I have that I'm enter is A is equal to 4, then it will become A is equal to 5 after swapping. So that's why I am printing a number A is equal to A and B is equal to B. So it will actually swap interchange the number. A will become 5 and B will become 4. So it is actually swapping the number. Now our program is approximately ready to run. So I'm running my program and let's see the output. So here is terminating sign I have to put here. So this is my mistakes. So now again run the program and let's see what is our output. So you can see the before swapping A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. After swapping A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4. So guys, this is actually our program, and if you like my video then subscribe my channel for more such type of videos.